Hi, my name is Hannah. I'm an interior designer in Vancouver, Canada. I provide homeowners with design, decorate, and color consulting services. Today, I'm going to show you how I help a homeowner transform their master bathroom from this to this. So let's take a look.
What you are looking at here is a floor plan. This is an existing floor plan for the master bedroom and bathroom that's attached to it. And there's also a walk-in closet that's in the corner. So I want to tell you a little bit about this project. It's located in Vancouver, BC, Canada. This house was built 30 years ago and it has never been renovated. So the homeowner wants to make this master bathroom bigger, brighter, and also really low maintenance. So yeah, so let's start planning here. So looking at this bathroom, it's a very standard three-piece bathroom. It's got a tub, toilet, and a sink. And looking at the size, it's a very standard, and let's say it's a minimum of what is required for building code. So to make this bathroom bigger, I am going to move this wall over towards the closet so we can gain a little bit more square footage. And this little square here is actually the attic access. So that's something we have to keep. So let's start here with erasing this wall. Ta-da-da. All right. On. Okay. All right. Now, marker, I want it to be, okay. So let's move it around there. Okay, so this is going to be the new wall. And I'm thinking we can put a new vanity over here. Okay. And because, it's a pretty long space, I want to give them a double sink. Isn't it awesome? Here we go. Okay. And so we also need a toilet. Go back. Okay, I'm done with the shape. Okay. All right. So, oh, I can't click it. Okay, maybe let's go back. All right. Let's put the toilet where I want it to be. Okay, here we go again. And here is the toilet. All right, so this is the new vanity with double sink, and here is the new toilet. So, there's a problem I see right away is there is a door right here. And if we are going to put the toilet there, we have to move the door. So why don't we move this opening here a little bit over to here? And, instead of a swing door, I want it to be a pocket door. And, the reason why I prefer a pocket door in this scenario is that, it doesn't take up a lot of space. When it opens, it just slides right into the wall. So, you're not going to be swinging into things. So, my thought is that since this bathroom is going to be used by, both the husband and the wife, so, sometimes someone will be in the bathroom and I don't want, someone else to be coming in, storming in and swing the door inward and hit someone. So I think pocket door would be a good idea. So let's erase the door and move. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I extended this wall here so we can put some plumbing in there. And for the wall, I'm going to use a different color. So this will be the new pocket door. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, yeah, one more thing. I want to give them a shower niche. So shower niche is like a recess opening that is usually in the shower where you can put your shampoo bottles, your soap, your razor, that kind of stuff. I love shower niche because instead of putting all your stuff on the edges of the tub, it just looks so much tidier when you have them somewhere that's for it. It's tidy looking, and it's not gonna like always fall into the tub when you're in the shower. Okay, so let's put a little shower niche right there. Okay, great. Okay, so since that we have took some space from their walk-in closet, I want to give them back some more closet space. And looking at this master bedroom, it's quite spacious. They have a lot of space right there. So I'm going to give them a full height closet from there to there. All right, that looks great. Okay. So let's take a look at how it looks after I have imported these ideas into AutoCAD. Ta-da! What you're looking at here is the proposed floor plan for the master bedroom and also master bathroom. We have moved the wall over and put in a double sink, and also moved the toilet over here and extended the wall and put in a pocket door. Over here, we have added a closet to compensate for the spaces that we have took from here. So here is the plumbing fixtures, finishes, and also style of the cabinet, hardware, lighting fixtures that I have selected for the client. So for the double sink, I want to use these, really simple, really modern looking undermount sink. And for the faucet, it's just a center, center mount. It's very sleek looking. And, I love this tub that it doesn't have like a weird square right in front of it. It's just very simple, very sleek looking. And also same as this toilet. And for the flooring and the wall inside the shower, I want to use this porcelain tile that looks like Calicut marble. I love using porcelain tile because, it's so durable, it's low maintenance. You don't ever have to worry about sealing it like natural stone. And yeah, and over here we have these wall-mounted wall sconces with 3 lights. So these will go above each vanity sinks. So that will give them ample amount of light in there. And for the vanity cabinets, I have selected this shaker style cabinet, which is, very elegant looking. And for the hardware, I want to use this, this cabinet pole. Okay, so let's look at, the step-by-step from before to after. So before, this washroom, this 30 years old washroom looked like this. It's still functional, but the vanity is dated, the finishes is a bit dated as well. And what we have done is that we have changed out all the floorings, rip out all the vanity cabinets, and took out this toilet and moved it over here. And also there is a bulkhead right above the shower. We have taken that out as well because if it doesn't serve any purpose, why don't we just raise it all the way up to match the rest of the room ceiling height? So, it makes the space feels bigger, right? So here, this is an existing plan. And this is a proposed plan. And I have also developed some elevations to show how I want the cabinet to look, and how, you know, the location of the wall sconces, the fixtures. And over here, this is a different view of the room looking at the tub. So for this tub, I want to give them a glass enclosure. You know, that will really open up the, you know, the look, because light can go through it, and you know, you're not gonna have shower curtains that's kind of blocking the light, so it makes the room feels closed in. And over here we have a towel bar, so that's, you know, it's kind of a convenient space. When you come out of the shower, there you go. And yeah, so and also the husband really wants to have a rain shower head, so I had given them that as well. Okay, so this is a picture I took during construction. As you can see, they were building out this shower niche, and I have, you know, requested for that shower niche to be at a certain height, just so that the tile can match up to the bottom line and also the top of the line. To me, those details are really important. So I'm really happy that, you know, they have done what I have asked. So yeah, what's gonna be the after? The big reveal. Ta-da! So this is an after photo with brand new flooring, brand new wall, new tub, basically everything is new. And I have also given them extra ceiling light in the shower here. So it's a LED recessed light. It's wet area. It's suitable for wet area, so you don't have to worry about it being damaged because, you know, it's so close to the shower area. Yeah, so this is the final product. What do you think?
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like what you saw, please click the thumbs up button below and subscribe. I'll be making more videos on design related topics. And if there is something that you would like to see more of, please comment below. Thank you so much again for watching. Have a great day.